We finally got the bracelet! The circle bracelet thing for the glorious thing. Yes. Oh my gosh, this box is so beat up. Like on this side, there's a whole hole down here. I'm worried my arm's gonna be big. But I'm sure other people have bigger arms than me. It's just like a little thing down here. Like, should have just bought two. Bubble wrapped and everything. Wow! Okay, low-key, it's kind of heavy. Whoa, bro, it's low-key really kind of heavy. Let me show you up close. The FNC. The top. Or a circle. The sides. It's very cardboardy. Like a cardstock, a really thick cardstock for the box. It's, yeah. Kind of looks like a cologne box. I'm not gonna say it. Let's open it. Oh gosh. I can't open it. I can never open these things. I'm sweating already. It's a little bented now, but it's okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why am I shaking? Why am I shaking? So excited. Let's just look around. A very nice, very basic case. I thought it would be like a special case of some sort with like their logo or something. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Too scared. I'm scared. Okay, let's open this. Oof. There's a guarantee card. Look at this. They have their logo right here. That's cute. My dirty table. I got James' signature. I don't know what that says. Number 25. Number 25. So close. I could have been 24. Wonder how many numbers there are. Like, is this special? I'm confused. Did he really sign this? Bro, I think he really signed it. I don't know if the camera catches. I'm pretty sure he signed it. Because like, you know how like when you sign stuff and then there's like where you end, and usually the end point is where like there's a lot of ink left, and so it dries last, and like it dries at some points and then like it gives off the highlight. Cool. And look at this. This is supposed to be on this thing, but it's not even on this thing. Bruh. This box is heavier than this bracelet. This box is actually really heavy. They're little chains. I don't know if you can hear it. Let me bring my mic over. Cute. Mine has a little dent here. I don't know if you can see there's like a dent right there. This is really nice. It's super cute. How do I wear this? How do I put it on? Oh, it clicks. So there's like this like under here. I don't know if I can take it out anymore. Crap. Okay, yeah, there's like this dot right here. I don't know if you can see it. And then on the bottom, there's this dot, the hole for this dot to click in. There isn't anything else like their logo or anything on the edges or anything like that. Maybe if like I can go like get it engraved, that'd be cool. I usually don't like wearing things on my right arm because I use my right arm to like write, and so yeah, we're gonna try this. Oh gosh, from the measurements online, it doesn't fit very well for me. Yeah, it's gonna be a tight fit. Why does it do that? I need to align it. There we go. It actually fits. It's okay. We're okay. I don't usually wear jewelry, but hey, I'm gonna wear it now. It's quite heavy actually. Like, I'm not sure how often I would wear this. Plus it's very gold, and like you have to like match gold with stuff. But like definitely like it's like an oval shape, and you like this instead of being like a whole circle, even though this is like a glory circle. But like it's more of an oval, and you can't really like spin it because like this height is like not adjustable, so I can't really spin it unless like I use my arm sweat to help spin this. It's very basic, I gotta say, but like it's SF9 stuff, so cool. I don't know, I don't usually don't wear jewelry, so like I just bought it because of SF9. But like it's a lot bigger than I thought. Oh god, ow, my finger. Into the dungeon you go. With all my other SF9 stuff. I like it. It actually fits me. I thought it wasn't gonna fit me because of the measurements. It's kind of a little bigger. It's not actually a circle. It's very oval-like, and so it only fits like a certain way, like kind of like one way. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it.